Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, staff members, and my dear friends. First of all, I would like to thank our Principal Ma'am for giving this opportunity. I am Saraswathy, studying in 3rd year BCom Corporate Secretaryship. My topic is a prayer can change the impossible. There is power in prayer. When you pray, God listens. When you pray, storms get stilled. When you pray, doors open. When you pray, relationships get restored. When you pray, sickness gets healed. When you pray, hope gets rekindled. When you pray, strength is renewed. When you pray, answers come. Don't lose faith about what you are praying for today. God is faithful. His answers will come just at the right time. One song can change the moment. One idea can change the world. One step can change a journey. But a prayer can change the impossible. Faith and prayer both are invisible, but they can make the impossible possible. Thank you.